If you've been seeing UGC-style ads everywhere and wondering how brands are pumping these out so fast, it's not all real people anymore. They're using AI and one dedicated tool to generate these ads efficiently and consistently. In this video, I'm showing you 2 ways to create AI-powered UGC ads that actually look real, no filming, and no hiring creators. One of these methods shows you how to add your own AI influencer, so you can create consistent ads with full control over how your content looks. So make sure you pay close attention, because skipping steps can lead to distorted results.
This is the one.
Let's get into it. So today we're creating our UGC ads on Higgsfield. It's mobile friendly now. You can use all of the tools, and I love this. You can access it through your web browser. So what you're going to do is click the little yellow button, or the big yellow button, I guess. Then you're going to go all the way down and click on Click to Ads. This is the easiest way to get these types of videos and bank on it. When you're done, your video will look something like this one. So what you're going to do is paste in a link of something you're showcasing. So I'm going to use Amazon because this is usually what people use when it comes to videos like this. So I'm going to just click on something like, so I'm going to use this product here, the Meta VR. This is a good product to use so I can show you how to do this right. So what you're going to do is click the little download button, and then you're going to click copy, and it's going to copy the link for the VR, and then you're going to paste it in right there.
I love using this face cream every morning.
Once you're done, you're going to go down and click on continue. Once you click continue, it will bring you over to something that looks like this. Now what it's doing is connecting to the website, extracting the product images, finding brand colors, locating logo, all that stuff. So once it's done, you're going to have something that looks like this. So it gives you the name, the description of the product, it gives you the images, and you can add a logo. It also gives you the colors. Click continue, and then it brings you over here. This is where you're going to decide what kind of video you want to make, like a product story, unboxing, simple UGC, and customer reviews. We're going to click customer review. So I'm going to show you how to do this one. Then you click generate video. That's it. That's all you do, and it creates the video for you just by adding a link. When it's done, you'll get a video that looks and sounds like this. It's the first thing everyone notices.
I love the wireless freedom.
And the battery lasts way longer than I expected.
The 128 gigs hold all my games, and setup was super fast.
Stunning on the Quest 3.
Okay, not too bad, right? So it did pretty good for just adding a link. Now let's try a different template. So what you're going to do is find another link, paste it in there. I already found one, and I'm going to do the Shark Vortex Pro Cordless Stick Vacuum. So this one looks pretty cool. We're definitely doing an unboxing for this one. It gives you the images, the logos, and the colors. Click on continue. Once you click on continue, like we did before, you're going to click on a template. We're going to do unboxing this time. This time it will open up the box, show us how it works, and everything else. Click on generate video. When it's done, it will look and sound like this.
Finally unboxing the Shark Vortex Pro. Cordless vacuum with powerful suction, self-cleaning brush roll, multi-flex wand, and up to 60-minute runtime. It's awesome.
Okay, that was really, really good, except the ending, which you can change in the prompt box. Now that's the easy way to create these. The other way is still easy, but now you can add your AI avatar or character or influencer. Click the yellow button and go all the way down. Scroll all the way down until you see UGC Factory. Then it will give you templates to choose from. What we're doing is selling, so we're going to click selling. Then you're going to click select. Now you're going to upload your avatar and the product that you want to use. Make sure the product has a white background so that it can really capture what it looks like this. I'm going to do the Fenty lip gloss. And then when you're done, you're going to click combine images. After you click that, it will give you 4 images to choose from. So you're going to select which one you want to use. All of them are good. This is the best way to do this. I'm going to click the first one, and then I'm going to click continue. Once you click the image you want, you're going to describe the action or the movement she's going to do. This part is very crucial. You have to make sure that the prompt you're using is very specific and detailed. Then you click continue. Now this part's easy. You just click in the audio and what you want her to say. I'm just talking about the lip gloss. When you're done, you click on continue. Now it brings you over here. What type of voice you want, what type of emotion. I'm going to keep them both on auto, but they have a lot of options to choose from. Then you click next, and I'm going to keep the language English, but there are tons to choose from. Then you click on continue. Now it brings you here. You can add background sound, like if you're outside, you can add street sounds or birds, or if you're in a pool, it's really up to you. Make sure your quality is at 1080 and your aspect ratio is the size of your image. Then you click next. When you're done, you will get something that looks and sounds like this.
This is the Fenty Beauty Gloss I've been loving lately. It's smooth, shiny, and feels so good. This is the Fenty Beauty.
Okay, so that turned out way better than I expected. So she is talking and she's showcasing the lip gloss. I thought this was really good. Now, if you're looking how I created the video like this.
Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb is my favorite. It's lightweight, super shiny, and never feels sticky.
I'm going to show you. So what you're going to do is create images first and then turn your images into videos. Click the yellow button and click on Nano Banana. Now what you're going to do is upload the image of your avatar or influencer and then upload the product you want to use, just like this. Now you're going to paste in a prompt of her showcasing the product. So what you're going to do is just paste in something that looks like this. Like I said before, make sure your prompt is super descriptive and precise so that you get accurate results and not distorted images. Don't worry if you're looking for my prompts, my workflow, everything is inside my community. Now what you're going to do is put the aspect ratio at 9:16 and make sure that you're at 2K. You can do 4K, but I find 2K generates better for this type of content. Then you click generate and you get something that looks like this. So as you can see, this way is way more accurate. So if you want to create another image, you just upload your avatar in the product and then paste in a prompt, but make it different this time. This time I want her to be applying the lip gloss. So then you put a prompt that's very precise and detailed. Don't worry, you know where to find them. And then you're going to click generate. Then you'll get something that looks like this. Now, once you have all your images done, you're going to turn all these images into videos. Once you click the image, you'll see a modify, and then it will say edit, video, speak, and recreate. Click on video. Now it will take you over here to the video section, and then you're going to click on Google VO 3.1. I find this one is way better for what I'm trying to achieve. Now your image is already uploaded. Now you can add an end frame if you want, but you don't have to. But the prompt, like I always say, needs to be good. So paste in your prompt so that you can get accurate results. And once you have your prompt already pasted in, you're going to go down and make sure that your duration's at 8 seconds, ratio 9:16, and your quality 1080. Now you can click on multi-short mode, which splits the prompt into scenes. But you don't need to because it's really only 8 seconds, so it's really up to you. Once you're done, you'll get a video that looks and sounds like this.
See what I mean? Glossy.
That turned out so good. Okay, so once you're done and you generated all your images into videos, you are going to put all the images in order together in CapCut or VN Editor, whatever editing tool you use. You can add sound effects and audio effects. It's really up to you. And then you're going to get a video that looks like this.
Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb is my favorite. It's lightweight, super shiny, and never feels sticky. See what I mean? Glossy. Yup, this is the one. Look how smooth this goes on. It's glossy, but still feels light.
If you're serious about creating with AI, from cinematic characters and realistic avatars to full videos, angles, movements, and monetization, this channel is for you. So make sure you're subscribed. And if you want deeper breakdowns, prompts, feedback, and behind the scenes help, join my community. That's where I teach everything I don't have time to cover here. Thanks for watching.